Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator online. First, install the game, update it, and sign into Steam to prepare. Next, download the approved multiplayer mod, follow on-screen prompts, and authorize the mod with your Steam credentials. Then join a server from the in-game browser or enter a private server IP to connect directly. Follow these steps, and you will be hauling with others in no time. In multiplayer, you can pick public, roleplay, or convoy servers depending on how social you want to be. Start by reading a server's rule list and checking required mods before joining. Use the server browser to filter by player count, ping, and tags like roleplay or economy. If you prefer organized trips, search for scheduled convoys or form one with friends. Stay courteous to other drivers to keep a smooth experience. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, long-lasting scent that makes long hauls more pleasant in your cab. I find it especially nice after a long shift hauling through rain and road salt. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and once you do, now let's get back to the video. If you experience lag or desync, try a wired connection and close bandwidth heavy apps first. Rejoin the server or pick a lower population host to test if issues clear up. Always keep the multiplayer mod and subscribed mods updated to the same versions listed by the server. Verify game files through Steam if crashes persist, and consider temporarily removing recent mods to isolate conflicts before rejoining online sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.